Good day to all the employers. My name is Regina Fernandez. I am 41 years old. I live in Balawan, La Union, Philippines. I am single but I have two children, the ages of 14 years old and 9 years old. I'm a college level undergraduate of computer science. I have one brother, I have three sisters, and I'm the second in the family. I have work experience before as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia to a family of four members. My main duties taking care of their children, the ages of 10 months and 4 years old. I also doing the household chores like cleaning the house, washing, laundry, and marketing, cooking, and also doing car wash once a week. I am hardworking, trustworthy, polite, caring, and willing to learn. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family and to build my own house. I love children. I can sing a children's song. I also love pets like dogs and cats. To my future employer, please hire me. I promise I will do my best and love your children like my own. I am willing to learn and cook Chinese food. I will finish my contract and extend if you need me. Thank you and God bless.